Okay, I need your eyes up here, please. So we are going to be talking about how to mix colors, and this should not take very long. But when it comes to mixing your tertiary colors, okay, again, when it comes to mixing your tertiary colors, you're going to start with the letter that is first. What does that mean? In other words, if I am going to look at this and say, okay, I've got to mix this color right here between yellow and green. What is the first letter?
Yellow.
Yellow. So as I do this in my tray, I am going to start with the color yellow. And as I said before, sit down please. You are going to have to really spend some time loosening up this paint. And I said yesterday, it was like you're petting the paint. I'm going to go around and around. You might even have to dip your paintbrush in the water a couple of times because I need to loosen it up quite a bit here. And I need all eyes on the board, please. So I'm going to go ahead and loosen, and I'm just going to take this paint and make a nice solid pile of yellow. Okay, so what was the color I'm mixing?
Yellow and green.
Very good, yellow and green. All right, so here we go. We got this yellow stuff going on. Now I'm going to take, and this is where the paints get dirty. So when you're done, please do your part to clean the paints. But I'm going to go ahead and swab a little bit of green in my paintbrush, and I'm going to mix it. And the color that we are getting is something close to a lime. Very good. Lime green. I do not want to make ginormous piles here because if I do, I'm going to be wasting time and paint, and I need all the time I can get. So I'm going to go ahead and mix it up, keep it about the size of a quarter, and then it goes in this area. So the next one I would do is probably, well, what would make sense? What would be the next one to do? And by the way, look at how dark that is. That's good.
Blue and green.
Excuse me?
Blue and green.
Blue and green. Why would I do blue and green?
Because every other one.
Okay, that's true, but you are correct that I would want to do blue-green, but why would I not just do, say, yellowish-orange?
Because you have green on your paper.
I already have green on my paintbrush. So all I have to do is add more blue to this, and it's going to turn kind of an aqua green, a blue green, which is what we want. And then you can paint it in there. So when you get done, now just ignore these colors right here. So when you get done with your yellow green, go to blue green. Do I have to wash my paintbrush then? Yeah. That is the time where, yes, then you'd have to stop and wash your paintbrush and you can move on to another one. So we are now going to paint what are called the tertiary colors by mixing the primary and the secondary.